And then when you're blood clot, you forgot to set me on pussy hole.
Yeah, fuck you, fucking reggae idiot bitch!
Rondo, you want blood clot cause I don't even bumble clot rate you know.
Stop speaking that gibberish!
You fat bumble clot pussy hole girl, you know this? Shot in her bumble clot. Hey yo, don't touch
what's
me.
wrong? What's wrong?
Jacob here. You know Jacob?
Yes.
Jacob tells me it wasn't him, but some people he introduced me to have ripped me off big time and put the heat on me. I know they did.
All right.
I know my fault, you know, Rasta. I know my blood
Well,
clot.
not your
Hey,
fault.
don't come in on my face.
All right. You better hope Nico can make this right for you then.
Oh, what?
Oh, we got a big fucking problem, Rasta. Nico, go do this fool's job for him.
Yeah, I got it.
Watch me now.
See you later.
Watch me now.
Where can I take you? We're going. Fun way to go.
And I've got to save the world in the next half hour, including commercials.
This is scale fish, imported straight from Bolivia, manito. Polvo puro, the best, man.
You're in America now. The best everything gets made here. If the best stuff got made in Mexico or Colombia or wherever, why do you all run across the border? Tell me that.
Careful.
You're mine, amigo. We have you trapped. No guts, no glory. Oh yeah. I'm coming for you.
I have him dead in my sights.
But you know you started a war.
You're surrounded. All I gotta do is
I've got this stuff. You know where the heat is coming from?
I think I'm getting closer now. But there's one more cat me have to speak to.
Shit! Speaking of fucking cops, I think I have company. I gotta go.
Hit the ground!
I lost the heat. Where are you?
Change point. I'm with some buck and say no I. Get here now, Nico. This be some strange shit.
I've learned a lot,
So... We'll be there in no time.
The phones are exploding. Line 3.
Jacob, what are you talking about? You know, I think you're smoking too much.
Yo, me think we know the eater come from in a king.
Hey, Nico. Hey, Jacob.
What are you doing here? This is no place for you, Michelle.
As it happens, it is. You see, Nico, I have been working for the government. I'm afraid it's my job to watch you. And now I have to ask you for the coke.
This is a joke, right?
Please, please don't make this harder for me than it already is. Look, they're about to take down Elizabeta.
I don't fucking believe this.
Listen, I'm sorry it had to be this way, Nico. I'm really sorry. Hey, you know, you could have gone down too, if you weren't so useful.
You fucking bitch.
Nico,
Hold on. You mean to say you're going to let us off just like that? Nothing now go on?
well, my employers need the help of a guy like Nico. The office is in Algonquin. I'll call you. You know, as and when we need you. The coke, please?
Shocking, me have to tell Elizabeth so she now get her cocaine, you know.